Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change LinkedIn phone number. According to LinkedIn, you should at least one mobile phone number to your account. Add a phone number to help keep your account secure and be able to easily recover your account or reset your password if you have trouble signing in. The mobile numbers you add won't be displayed on your LinkedIn profile. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your LinkedIn account. In LinkedIn homepage, you have to tap me icon at the top, and the next you have to select settings here. In the settings page, you have to tap sign in and security here and tap on phone numbers. Here I already have the primary phone number, but I want to add a new one, and tap add phone number. Enter the new phone number here and pick your United States, and under United States you have to enter your LinkedIn password, and you have to wait for the verification code. Here I use my second phone number and tap on the column, and when it's done, tap verify. And you can make your second phone number to primary. You just need to tap make primary here, and again enter your password. You have to remove your first number by tapping the X icon in the top right here, and again enter your password and tap done. It's done. Well guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.